Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is very interesting. In this video, I will teach you how you can get free alternative of almost every paid software. You don't believe this website is great. It will help if you are a student. It will help you. You do not have money to pay softwares like Adobe Photoshop and like Canva. So it provides you a free alternative to any paid software. And this is a very good website. So first of all, let's go to website and then we will talk other things. So the website name is alternative 2 .net. Alternative 2 .net. Click on alternative 2. So you can also get alternative of Android apps, Mac, iPhone apps, Linux, iPad, Android tablets, etc. So first of all, many people want to work on Adobe Photoshop, but they do not have enough money to buy this. So let's get started and search for Adobe Photoshop alternatives. They have 234 alternatives of Adobe Photoshop. So you can see how big is this website. First, open source video editor GIMP. After that, Guess. Oh, sorry, this is a review. Affinity Photo. After that, Krita. After that, Photopea. This is a very good alternative. This is just like Adobe Photoshop, and this is a very good, alternative, and it is free and online. You do not need to have good RAM or good computer. It just run on browser. So must try this. So let's try this. I click on this Photopea and okay. So I copy this name and Photopea. This is the online photo editor, and as you can see, it is just same act as Adobe Photoshop. I use this one. That's why I recommended you to use this create. So as you can see, same tools, same layer concept, channels, path. So it is free. Use this and like this video. After that, there is a video editing like apps, Lightroom, photo editing app, Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom. 107 alternatives. So dark table, raw therapy, Flutter on mobile. Oh, sorry, this is ad. Affinity photo, DGCam, and many other alternatives. Recently, I want to find the alternative of VideoScribe. VideoScribe is a whiteboard animation tool. So I do not want to pay the money to VideoScribe. So I want to get free alternative. So Prezi and Photon. I searched some good video scribe alternatives. Movely. So you can also check out these reviews. Uh, it's three reviews, so I do not choose this one. Three and Movely two. So you have to make some research that which software has good rating. So select this one. So let's search one more the final search like Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a video editing software. So best Adobe Premiere Pro alternatives, DaVinci Resolve. This is a great alternative of uh, Adobe Premiere Pro. This is completely free and open source video editor, and his workflow is very good. After that, Caden Live, and you can also check his reviews, Diginology reviews. It is a bit complicated, but this is good alternative. If you want to get a free alternative of Premiere Pro, you can get this. So I think that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through these skills. And in future, I will upload many interesting videos on AI and these type of websites. So stay tuned and subscribe and hit the bell icon and share this channel with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.